This answer is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
Still, we'll be looking at how to disable the right-click option on your Squarespace site. So we've got a page here where we've already made that change to disable right-clicking. So although you can't tell, I'm actually right-clicking on the site and there's nothing happening at all. So here's, of course, the default view. I right-click and you get all these options. But here on this site, because we've disabled right-click, we don't get that right-click menu at all as we do here. So to get that done, first you're going to go into the back end of the site. You're going to click Settings. Next, scroll down to the bottom and click on Advanced. Next, we're going to click on Code Injection. All right, so here in the header section, we're going to add some JavaScript that's going to disable the right-click. So the first thing that we need to add will be our script tags, open and closing script tags. In between that, we're going to type document.add event listener in our open bracket. Then we'll type single quote context menu, another single quote, comma, space event, space equal sign, then our right facing angle brace, event dot prevent default. And what this does is to prevent the natural order of the right click or the context menu. And once you've got that code, you just hit save. All right. I'm just going to click again on our about page, which we're working on. And as you can see, well, you can't tell, but I'm right clicking and there's nothing happening because we've disabled that right click option. All right, so that's it. You just add your code in the code injection and hit save. And that's all there is to it.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.